and so is it finished?
No, it is still actually turning.
Okay.
Just still executing.
So, you know, let's talk about some ideas. For example, what you can do with a style GAN, and because I need you to send me some of your works after the workshop. You are going to work on this file style GAN, and you are going to train your network. All of you should train your networks and explore its latent space, so you can generate some images. For example, I have given you some examples. For example, you can gather a data set of the interior of buildings, or gather some plan drawings or such things. The images should be consistent, and it can be anything, but it should be consistent. For example, it is better to gather the interiors or exteriors of modern buildings. For example,
just a second. It checked green finally.
So okay, go to the renaming the files path and run it as I do this.
Okay.
And for example, yeah.
Okay, good. Thanks.
So it takes a little time. It took me, for example, 7 seconds. So
but now it says rename the. Okay, just have to do it again because. Okay, no, that was fast. Done.
Yeah, it is really fast.
And now
okay, convert. Go to 2.3 and run it.
Okay.
And run. It should be the same path. So paste the same path here and run the folder.
Do it.
So it will take a little time, so we can wait. But let's talk about the ideas. Do you have any ideas? So what you are going to do? With,
yes, I do. I have a very specific idea. I want to use
so
it.
What are you going to do?
I teach design studio at the 4th semester, and and also graphical representation with Grasshopper, and I'm trying to connect both classes. And I intend to use the vegan clip for the next semester, using it generating ideas for the project process at the beginning, like concepts, and actually would like to do one with also text, because they choose keywords and images, and then I would like to train with they design with small houses, like tiny houses, cabins. So I would like to collect a database of cabins at ArcDaily, and then with their drawings and with their keywords to run it and get ideas for the concept phase. All right, that's it.
Yeah, that's good. And after in this session, after we learned how to work with StyleGAN 2 and how to explore its latent space, we are going to work with VQGAN clip. And VQGAN clip is really simple to use. You just have to, for example, prompt some text here and maybe some images, and after that you are good to go. For example, I have so the results are deleted, but maybe I have it in my Google Drive. But there are some tricks to using VQGAN if you want to have better results, and I'm going to tell you about those. So yeah, after the StyleGAN 2, we are going to learn how to use VQGAN. For example, I have generated some images using VQGAN, and every one of them, for example, this one and this one, for example, or these ones. So some of them are really similar because the words I have prompted and I have provided for the AI algorithm VQGAN, but some of them are really different. And I'm going to tell you what we can do and how we should do this. So now,
So I'm passing to augmentation, Mohammed, while you were.
I'm through augmentation now.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are through augmentation, let me be here.
It's not done yet, but it's running augmentation.
Yeah, if you are through augmentation, so it will, for example, you have some options. I've commented out most of them. For example, this one, or crop by size, or rotating, or skewing top left. Every and each one of them, as you see here, I provided a pass here, and I just created a pipeline. So the augmentator library is going to iterate over the images in that image path and make a pipeline. So everything is going to do automatically. But if you want to have some kind of, for example, cropping augmentation, flipping and skewing, or maybe distortion augmentation, you can just comment them out. So you can just make it easier for make it possible for the computer to read it. But they are not necessary in this example because, for example, it doesn't it is meaningless to have these kinds of for example, this facade that you are seeing, for example, rotated this way. It is meaningless. But if it was a piece of cloth, maybe, or a piece of paper, it was okay to have some augmentation, right? Like rotating 19 degrees or 180 degrees, but not in this case. So just run this this code, and it will take 3 to 2 minutes. So after that, we end up with 2,500 images. You see, we had 500 images, and now after augmenting them, we have more than 2,000. Around we have 2,500 images.
Excuse me, just one thing. I finished, but then I'm trying to do the verify images, and it's not working. Like, try 2 times, and it's just red.
So so you are going to verify your images, yeah?
Yeah, but it's not working.
So what is the error? Can I see it, for example?
Yeah. Do you want me to share a screen, or
yes,
it says
let me make you host.
Okay.
Okay. So share your screen and I can tell you what's going on.
Wait. Okay, here.
So okay, StyleGAN to ADA is not defined. So let me just do it. Import dataset. Okay, so before that, you should just make me a host again, so I can tell you what you should do. Okay.
Okay, just a second.
So please do everything I want. I do, and after what after I'm finished, you can do whatever I did. So in this case, if you want to verify your images, as you see, we have to specify some StyleGAN to ADA. What is that? In this part, in training the model, you should go and create some folder. For example, just specify some folder in your drive and name it something. For example, I have named it Colab SG2 ADA. And for the StyleGAN 2 ADA, I created another folder under that path, and called it stylegan2 ADA. For example, let me show you here so you can have a better understanding. The stylegan pass in here in 3.1 is like this. Collab SG2 ADA.
You
But
just have
after
to
that,
create the file. Sorry, you just have to
Yes.
create a file.
I'm
Yes,
confused,
yes.
but the file has to be under the main folder, right? That's it. No?
Yeah, that's it. You have to create a folder. For example, I created deep architecture as the base path, and
Okay.
2 other folders under that folder. This is the main path, deep architecture using AI, and I created Colab SG2 and created a stylegan2 ADA. So
Okay, that
just
a
copy the
second.
path.
Those 2 folders we can create in the same place that where is the house mother's apartment, right? On our drive, right?
No, don't
No?
don't do it. No. You that is your dataset folder. Don't mistake them. So you should just, for example, as you see, I've put the dataset under the Colab 2 under stylegan2 ADA and dataset. So you see the hierarchy.
Wait.
Okay, now okay, Mohammed. Before those, I
Yeah.
think we should have opened this in the beginning. Now we should restart everything again, right? Because
No, you have not to. No, you have not to restart everything. You should just create those folders and copy the path of corresponding folders to these fields and run this cell. Okay, that's it.
Well, just a second. I have to create it on my drive, the one that
Yes.
transfer your house apartment modern, right? That's what I
Yes.
did. I create 2 folders, one which with I just erase them. But
Let me make you a host and share your
Okay.
screen so I can guide you through this.
Okay.
okay.
Here,
So,
I have to create. This is where your files are, and
yes.
this is
Create a
what
folder
I'm.
here. Create a folder here.
Yeah, I did that, and then it said no, and
And
I erased them.
name it. Yeah. Okay. So and create another folder in that.
The other one was stylegan2 ADA, and the other is Collab. Is that it?
No, go back to your Google Drive.
Yeah. Isn't this?
Okay. Go to stylegan ADA2 folder.
This one? Okay.
Yes. Wait a minute because it is not showing.
It's empty.
Okay. So I create another folder here and called and name it whatever you want. For example, stylegan2 ADA.
Okay, we will just drag the data set also inside of that one, right?
Yes. Yes. That's fine. So go to Google Colab and go to the left side menu on the left and locate each folder. For example, first, go copy, copy this one, copy the path of this one.
This one or the other one that is inside it? Because I just created this one.
No, copy copy the path of Colab SG2 ADA. Copy that. Yeah. And go to 3.1. Go scroll down, yeah, and paste it under a stylegan path in that field.
Okay.
Yeah, and go to a stylegan ADA2 that folder and copy that path.
This the one inside of this.
Yeah, the one inside. Yes, the one inside the other one. Okay, copy that path and paste it in a stylegan2 ADA field.
Okay. And that's it?
Yeah, and copy the workshop AI 09. Okay. Yeah, and paste it in base path.
Okay.
So run the cell now.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is going to clone some repositories from GitHub. So it will fetch some. So you do not have go up, scroll up, scroll up. I think you have not run. No, yes, in this part, scroll
Yeah.
up, go to the top of the go to
All the way up.
under libraries. Yeah, under Google Drive mounting part, go to libraries.
Here.
Uh, yes, libraries. You have not run this cell TensorFlow. Yes, run it and go back to 3.1. So it was executed, and go to 3.1. So, and now run this cell.
Oops.
And let's see.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
working.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
that's it. So make me a host again. So
We have to run this one again, the verifying
I
images.
think so.
no.
No?
So I'm a co-host now, yeah, or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So as you see in this part, you should run this, and after that you go and verify the images to 2.6, because sometimes some of the images are corrupted or have some problems. It makes sure, this cell makes sure that there is no problem with the images and everything is fine with the data set. So just run this cell.
I run it. It's fine now. It's green.
Yeah, it will take a little time, and after that, let me run it and we can go on. Yes. And so it was executed, and go to creating TF records. It will take much time. It will take too much time. It actually, TF records is TensorFlow records. It will kind of file extension that are binary files, for example, and we are going to make the data set into a TF record, into some TF records, and feed it into our AI algorithm, AI network. So let me tell you what to do. And you see, I have run it before, but you have to do something like that. You have to go to your dataset path, as for example,
it is jumbled right now. It's jumbled right now. I have multiple data sets, folders everywhere. It is very jumbled right now.
Okay, I can guide you through that. So I will make you a co-host. That's not a problem. So share your screen and I will tell you what you should do.
Then I'd like to know what should I put on the second.
Okay. The thing is, we opened Colab.
It was, I cannot, it is not started for me. So yeah, I can see now. Okay. So
okay, hierarchically Colab, StyleGAN. I have different data sets and downloads. Okay. So this one is the base one. No, not this one. This one.
No, the data sets. Yeah.
I should copy the path of this one, right?
No, actually, the data set you have uploaded as you downloaded from my Google Drive. Where is it? Because
here.
You are okay here, and go to that folder, to house folder.
Yes.
And let's see if there are any folders in that.
I could do it on my screen.
Yes,
output.
You can do it.
There's an output.
Yeah, copy the output path.
Okay.
And to the data set path, yeah, paste it under that field.
Okay.
Because the output are, and you can under data set, a data set path on the left, the data sets, you can create another folder and name it, for example, custom or custom data set.
Like that?
Yeah, you can, under datasets, yeah, create a custom folder, for example, name it custom, and place it under custom dataset path. So the TF records are going to be saved in our custom folder, on this folder. So run the code and you are going to, okay, dataset tool.py error, no such file or directory. Go to your Google Drive. I think something is missing.
Mine is the same message, but I didn't do all those paths. I just put.
But go to your Google Drive, okay, and go to Colab SG2 StyleGAN, yeah, and here you don't have. I think you have. You do not have most of the files, and I don't know why that happens. Okay, let me check what's wrong with your Google Drive. There is something. Something. Let me find if let me just send you the file in Discord in our channel, and you can just copy and paste it. Okay, dataset tool, and let me upload it. So Colab StyleGAN, and so I've uploaded something to Discord. You can download it and upload it to this
Where did
folder.
you put it? Wait,
yeah,
which
download it
place?
and I will tell you where you should put it. Go to your Google Drive.
Where did you put it on Discord? Wait.
On the discussion page. Discussion page.
Okay.
Datasets tool. Okay, so I am taking it and I am.
Yes, go to your Google Drive and okay, go and put it under the StyleGAN2 ADA folder in, yes, go to Style, move it to that folder.
This one?
And yes, this one, move to that folder. Go and check if it is there.
Here.
No, to StyleGAN2, yeah, okay, this is it. So again, run the code cell, run that code cell and see if it is working now.
No.
Python dataset tool. I think it is not. It has not synced with Google Colab right now. So
it's mine. It says the same error. It's green, but it says
okay.
Python cannot open dataset to.
Okay, dataset tool. This one, import DNN as TFF. Okay. Let me tell you what you have to do.
Well, then you tell me because I'm lost.
Yes, I will tell you too.
Okay.
Yeah. So is it, and so default model.
Will we need also those, Mohammed?
Wait a minute. Sorry, wait a minute, please, and I will tell you what you should do. And because yes, go to StyleGAN2 ADA folder again. Yeah, go again there. Go Colab and StyleGAN2. So there is something weird happening here because
here.
I guess I saved the wrong file.
Yes. No, go down to part 3.1, and yes, this is it. Let me send you something. I will send you this, and maybe you can just copy this to your to not the link, just the text. Just copy the text.
Which starts with style GAN path, right?
Yeah. You know, can you make me a co-host again, a host again? So I will tell you what you have to do.
I mean, if we need to take all the files from your drive, maybe we can have them.
I don't know why this happened, because you know, let me go here and show you that this part, as you see, this code is going to clone or copy something from a specific repository. So you know, and that's why we had done it. And I just copied this, and it was really weird, because after you run and execute this part of the code, every one of these files are going to show up in your Google Drive folder. So
automatically.
yes, automatically. So it is really weird why it is not happening, because it have to be that way. So you just copy this text here from here until this part, and go and just double click here.
Okay, from where to where? Sorry. Okay.
Yes, from this part that highlighted to the end of that.
Okay, I don't have two screens. That's why I'm.
Well, I'll wait you to see mine, because I don't know if I have the same thing. I guess I misplaced something.
Okay, so I'm going to 3.1.
Yes,
right?
And double click on the form, and the code will show up. Yeah. And you can select all of them and paste it as this is.
Okay, I'm selecting
and run it, and
them.
let's see.
Okay, fingers crossed.
So is it okay now?
I think it is okay. It didn't give an error. I'm seeing the code that you sent. Okay, the style, and I will check the drive. You said they should appear automatically. So nothing has appeared automatically now. No, there is nothing.
Can you, maybe you should reload your Google Drive, reload it, maybe it will appear, because it should and it have to appear, you know? This code is for that. If I change this, for example, it will go and appear. It is going to appear everywhere I want.
In the code, okay, I should again define the paths, because the code include deep architecture. Okay,
I think the problem is because when she ran the 3.1, she already had folder name style GAN2. So the answer is to delete the style GAN2 folder from her drive, then run again the 3.1.
Okay, style GAN. Okay, but Mohammed, I think I should share my screen.
Yeah, okay, let me make you a host. So host, okay, now you're a host. So
okay, so for style GAN paths,
let's wait please. Okay, it is started. You can go on. Okay,
so okay, I will take this one and I will just copy and paste this for this one, I think.
You can just paste it in the form, not in the code. Yeah, it is easier to paste it in the field in
This
the
one?
specific field. Yeah. So you know, just collab SG2 ADA into a style GAN.
Sorry,
A style GAN pass.
I don't understand, Mohammed. That's why, sorry. In order to just, okay.
Can you maybe let me tell you what should you do through some images. For example, I will send some screenshots to Discord.
Okay.
Okay.
I think now that's it.
Let me just send some screenshots so you are going to watch it and you are going to collab SG2 into this part. Okay, so there is Discord now. Okay. So you can go now to Discord and see what should you do with the pass. And
okay, I will just drag it. Okay.
Yeah. No, you can. Yes, that's it.
I did it.
You, okay.
I actually I did it, but okay, I put it, but still in the drive folder.
So let me see your collab tab. Let me see collab. Okay. So 82 style again. Okay, if it is not showing, I can just send all of the files, or maybe you can just download it from this folder because you can download it. Can you make me a host now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so you can go, you can head to this folder, StyleGAN2 8J, and download all the files here. But it is really weird. I'm not all the files here.
Where does this train pie should be? Because I think I misplaced it on the wrong file. On the.
Let me just go through this one more time, and maybe the problem is will be solved. So okay, and let me just.
Mohammed, I had the same problem. Solved it.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I just where does this
So
style?
Adrian, let me.
Could you share your screen, please? The one with the problem.
Yes, Adrian. Maybe I should make you co-host now. Yeah, I should see what's going on with you.
Okay, but mine is already solved, so I'll have to delete it and do it again. But it's okay.
Mine is, I think I misplaced the file on the wrong place. The data set to
Okay. Sorry, Adrian, can you make me host? Yeah, okay, okay. Share your screen, please.
Here.
Okay.
So we're trying to run this. No, let me stop this one. So
yeah, so
you have to do is run this code. But if you already have a folder with this name, it won't run. It will give a problem. But what you have to do is go to your Google Drive, delete this folder, but first take your data set from it. Just a second. Move here. Okay, now come here, delete this folder. Okay. And now you come here, put the collab folder name here and the one you want to create, this one. Okay, and then you run this code. Let me refresh here. Let me see if I delete it. Okay. No, it doesn't exist anymore. So run, and it will clone the folder into the collab one. See? And now I have here the folder, and it's still running. No.
Maybe you should just reload your Google Drive, and it will
here.
show
So
up
now I have all the files I need, so I can come back here, Sigradi, take my 2 folders, and move again to the data set.
Yes.
So I move it here back, and now when I run this one.
Okay, you're too fast.
Yeah, I can't keep up with her, and I think
I know. Okay, I know you did it, but the thing is, okay. First question. First of all, to resize the image, we showed the path. That path is not. First of all, to resize the images in 2.1, starting from 2.1, we showed that path, which is not under Colab style GAN. It was solely.
Not a problem. If you're ready. If you
okay,
then this part, it's not
okay,
a problem.
Then
it's
okay,
fast.
one
Only
by
if you
one.
want to run it again, then you have to update the folder path you want. Okay. But if you already have changed the image and update the image so you don't have to run it again. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to do the next step. So the next step is to make sure that your Colab style GAN AVA have all these files, all right? So I don't know in which folder you're working, but if you created this one, all right?
Yes.
It's Sigradi 2021. So I've created this folder, and you want to make sure that this folder is empty. All right, you have to make sure it doesn't have this folder on.
Okay.
Okay, so now you come here and go to 3.1.
Yes.
And copy the path to the collab. All right. And in the next line, you will copy the same path and add this name. Folder doesn't exist. It's going to create it for you when you run the code.
Okay, but I have things inside of style GAN too. Should I delete everything?
You should delete style GAN too.
Okay, this is why I'm trying to say. Okay, one by one. I think also Angelica also.
Angelica is lost. I'm completely lost.
Okay. Can I share my screen? Can I share my screen?
After you finish, I would like to share my screen because I'm lost.
I think
yes. Okay.
I think we will solve it. I think I got it, but they need to improve.
Can you make Aishigul a host so she can share her screen? Okay, thank you.
Just let me come back to Zoom.
Yeah. Okay.
Participants. Aishigul make host. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. So I should go, please.
First of all, Sigradi AI is the main folder.
Okay,
so under
you have your data set.
Okay. Just I'm jumbled. When you talk, I'm actually. So this is the main folder. So the Colab CG2 ADA has to be empty, right? So I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna remove this, right? Everything.
First, check that your data set is on Sigradi AI. Everything you need.
Yes.
No, in the drive. Go back to Sigradi AI. Open that. And open the dataset folder and check everything you need is in there. Okay, so you don't have your files there, so you have to come back to Sigradi. Open Colab. Yeah.
Because it is under there right now.
And yeah. No,
Yeah.
yeah. And then you copy, no, go back to data set. Yeah. Copy the whole folder and click, right click it, move to, yeah. Yes, move it there. Okay.
So
now
it is here right now. It is here.
Yeah. Yeah, all right.
With output.
Yeah, it's right. Now,
okay.
Sigradi, and now you can delete it. Yeah.
Okay, I deleted it. So
all right.
Now I'm coming
now
here.
You come here. Yeah. And now you run this code. All right, check it if they're, yeah.
Okay.
Now everything is fine. So refresh it. So you have all the, and now go back to your Sigradi AI and open dataset and move this folder. No, yeah, move all of it. Yeah, no, inside. This folder, move, go back, collab, style again, and then datasets. Yeah, move it here. Okay. Now you can go back to collab, open the folder on the side so you can refresh it. No, yeah, there. Refresh. All right. Now you can run the other command. I think it's 2.7. I don't know. Let me see the.
So no, yeah. After this,
yes.
You should go to TensorFlow records.
You don't
so
have to rerun that.
Records. Yeah, you don't have to rerun
records.
all the parts. Just go to 2.7.
Yeah.
Yes. And
run
show
it.
the hidden.
You probably should update the folder path. So yeah.
Yes, you have to create a folder for your custom if you did not have created, yeah.
Yeah, that one is right.
Yes, because it
one
is not
the upper one, the dataset path.
Created.
Yes. You talk at the same time and
yeah, go back to collab. One moment, please. No, the collab tab. The collab tab.
Okay, this one.
No, the.
Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, okay.
So
okay.
in the left, you should take the data. Open that folder, the house modern style,
and the output folder.
And now copy the output path and put in the first. Yeah, there. All right. Now you have to run the code.
Create a folder.
It doesn't have to create it. I think it will create on its own.
Let me check the code. Maybe. What did I write here? No, you should create that file, that folder.
Custom. Okay. Then.
Yes, you should create the custom because of the code I have written. It needs them.
It might be created on its own, so I don't know.
Inside of outputs or
no,
where?
In datasets. In datasets.
Datasets. Yes. Okay. So here I'm gonna create a
new folder and call it, for example, custom or some.
Okay, I will do it from here. Maybe here.
Yes.
Folder.
Custom. And copy the path and paste it into custom data path field. So now run it, and it will take a lot of time.
Oh, it stopped actually.
So let me see, because I'm a little back here. So let me don't scroll up. Let me what's wrong with that. Please show the hidden cells of 2.7 and unrecognized argument modern style output. So yes, because of the folder name you have created, I said that you should not contain any space in your folder names. And instead of using a space in your names, just place some underscores. You know, House Modern Style have some space in their name, in its name. Yes, and there is another space. Yes, underscore, thank you. And copy the path now again, the output. Copy the output path and paste it there. So it is going to work, I think now.
Okay,
Yes.
stop sharing so that we can.
Okay.
And can I
Okay.
share mine? Can you please help me
Yes,
now? Because-
Angelica, now
Angelica,
you can go on.
I
Yes.
am making you host.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you, Adrienne.
Adrienne,
So-
thank you very much.
No
Okay.
problem.
Angelica. So,
I have this mistake here.
so please go to Drive, your Google Drive, and
Here.
let's see if the files. Okay, so you have the same problem here. And
Yeah,
go
I
to
put it
Collab
here.
SG.
I don't know if this is the place,
No,
the right
delete
place.
this. Delete. Go to Collab SG2 ADA.
No, here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that folder. No, in Google Drive.
Sorry.
Yes.
But this
in
is
Google.
in Google Drive here.
And delete all of these. Please
The column.
don't go between tabs. Yeah, just Collab SG2 ADA. Go to that folder and
Yeah.
delete all the folders now.
Okay.
Okay, and go back to Workshop AI. So we have and please delete that StyleGAN2 ADA folder too.
But I have this thing inside. Should I move it somewhere else?
No, just delete it. It is okay. Just delete that
Okay.
folder. So
Okay.
yes, and go to Collab. Now go to Collab tab.
No, here.
Yes, and go to 3.1.
Yeah.
So let me check, scroll down a little bit so I can see. Okay, and let me see what's going on here. Okay, so you have Collab SG2 ADA, and that's it. StyleGAN2 ADA. Okay, and Workshop. Now run the code.
This.
Run the cell. Yes, this cell. So it is clowning. So it is okay. After
But it's red.
no such file or directory. Okay. StyleGAN2 ADA. That folder. Let me check it. StyleGAN2. StyleGAN2 ADA.
Here.
Here. Yes. Please yeah, be back to Collab.
This one.
No. Collab.
Ah, sorry.
Collab.
Yeah.
Yes. Delete this. Delete this, please.
Delete what?
Yes. Delete. Go to Google Drive. Go to Google Drive. Delete this folder StyleGAN2 ADA.
There's
Yes,
nothing in
delete
it.
this.
Delete. Okay.
So yes, we are going to do it again.
Again. Okay.
And go to StyleGAN2 ADA.
Here. Here. No. Here.
Okay, go to Google
No.
Colab. Yeah, to Google
Okay.
Colab.
Google Colab
Yes.
and run it again.
No.
No?
There is something wrong with your naming StyleGAN2.ada. Please make it an underscore StyleGAN2 underscore ADA. That
Here?
dot is, yes,
Here?
sometimes, yes.
Should I
Okay,
run
so
it?
now run it. So let's see if it is going to work or not.
No.
Or no such directory. Colab SG2 ADA. Is it something that I'm not seeing? Because Style2 ADA.
Are you asking me? I don't know how to answer.
Yes. That seems a little weird here now. So no, just do it. Do this. Rename it like here, for example. You know.
Oh, I can. Okay.
Chat. Yeah.
Like this. Yeah.
Hi, Mohammed. I have to go to because now I have another meeting. Okay, Lorena. I will see. You can go.
Run it
So
again.
okay. Yeah, no, that's a dash. Make it an underscore. Okay, run it. Sure. Thank you, Lorena. Okay. No such file. Go to Google Drive, please, and go to Colab SG2. Yeah. And let me see what's going on. Here's a little. Yeah, open it. And you have all the things here. So go to Style2.
Google Drive or here.
Yes. Okay. So no site file content workshop AI. I think there is something, maybe, I don't know, just that workshop AI, for example, workshop AI is enough to just rename your folders in Google Drive like that. Those dots and spaces are going to make some problems. I'm not sure now because it gets
Rename
weird.
it.
Yes. No, go back to your, yes, here, and
Here. Rename
it. Yes, you rename it to, for example, workshop AI. Yes. And,
but then I'm gonna have to do all over again everything.
Yeah, I will go to Colab SG2 ADA folder in your Google Drive. Yes. And no, in Google Drive, yeah, go to Colab SG2 and delete this folder, this Style2 ADA folder. So, okay, now go to Colab tab, yeah, and now just update the passes, because no, just copy it. It's better to copy the pass. Yes. It's more trustable.
But is this the one here?
This one
which
should
one?
go to base pass. No, it should workshop AI. Refresh it because it was not.
Yeah, I did it.
Yes.
I refreshed.
Now it is okay. Workshop AI Sigradi. Copy the pass of workshop AI Sigradi and paste it into base pass.
Okay.
Okay, and copy Colab SG2 ADA
and put it
and
here.
Paste it into a StyleGAN pass. Yeah.
Okay.
And let's run it and see if it is working.
But this is not correct. It doesn't matter. The StyleGAN 288.
Yeah, you should yes, you should update it.
Where is it?
No, just update. Paste whatever you have now in your clipboard in StyleGAN 2 ADA. Just paste it.
Okay. Like this. And gonna be the same. Yeah.
Type dash. No, type a slash. Type a slash.
Where?
Type like this. A slash. StyleGAN 2 ADA. Type this.
Where?
After Colab SG2 ADA. Type what I have sent you in the chat box.
Here? Here. Oh,
No, here.
wait.
Yes.
On the second one or on the first one?
Yes.
Like this.
Yes, like this. And now run it. Run the cell.
Yes. Well, the same is working.
Yes, it is working now. Because of the problem with the naming, it causes all the,
Yeah, the
those
dots and
mistakes.
things.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, and make me a host now.
Okay.
Okay, so we are good to go. And
Wait. Let me make.
yes. Okay. So let me share my screen, and this is it. So after this, go to 2.7 because and run that. Run this part.
The 2.7 part?
2.7. Yes. Before running it, let me just
I
say
read it.
yes. Okay,
It's-
that's okay. You can just
but
go
says,
to runtime.
Yeah, never. No input
Interrupt
image found.
execution.
Yeah, well, it
Yeah,
ran
interrupt
instead.
execution. And just go to your data path to the house path as you have, for example, under your, you should just place your data set under the datasets folder, you know.
Which number is? I don't know. I'm lost now. Place
Okay,
what?
I will make you a host again. Let
Okay.
me share your screen. So, okay, go to Google Drive now.
Yeah.
Yes. Go to Workshop AI folder. Yes.
Here.
And houses apartment. Right click on that.
Oh, sorry. Wait.
No, that's okay. Yeah. Right click on that. And move it to Colab SG2 and the folder StyleGAN2 ADA and the folder datasets. Move it here. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so go to Colab again. So, and go to 2.7.
Okay.
Okay. And in the left menu, under the datasets, StyleGAN2 ADA folder and datasets.
Wait.
Go to StyleGAN2 ADA.
Here. This one.
Yes. And datasets. Create a new folder under datasets folder in that datasets folder.
How
Okay,
do
create
I do
a new
this?
folder.
New
Just
folder.
right click it, yeah, new folder, and name it custom. Copy the path of the custom.
Wait, it doesn't. Oh, sorry. Why
Yeah.
is not changing the name? Oh, okay.
It will take
Copy
a
it.
little
Okay.
bit. Yeah. Custom, copy it and paste it under custom dataset path.
Okay.
Okay, and go to houses folder in the left. There is an output
Here.
folder.
Okay.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Open it?
Copy the output.
Ah.
Yeah. Open it and copy the output folder path.
Where is it? Okay. Output.
Yes.
Okay. And then put it
And
here.
paste it dataset path. Yeah. Put it there. And
Okay.
run it. And let's see if it is working. What it is? File exist. StyleGAN datasets custom. So go to Google Drive. And Colab SG2 ADA. And the other folder. And dataset custom. data sets and custom. Okay. You created a file. It is not a folder. You created a file. Just yes, delete it and create a folder and call it custom. Okay. Okay, create it and go to Colab. In the left menu of Colab,
This
refresh the menu.
Oh,
No,
okay.
just refresh it first. Yeah. And go to datasets folder. Yes. And locate custom folder. It is a
Okay.
file. No, it is a file.
Where is
Refresh it
it?
again. Yes, refresh it again. Is it now a folder or a file? Has it
A
changed?
folder.
No,
Yeah,
it
it's
is.
a-
Yes. Okay. So
This is a
copy the
folder, right?
path. Yes. And paste it under custom
Yeah.
data set path. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, run it.
And yes, run it. So it will take a little bit. Aishagul, is it finished for you?
No, it is still going
Okay.
on.
It will take, for example, around 30 minutes or so. We can go to a break for 30 minutes
Okay.
and be back after that, because Angelica has started a moment earlier,
Okay.
and it will take a little time for her. You know?
Okay.
Okay. Be back at let me tell you. Be back at 12:45 p.m. New York time.
Okay, great.
Thanks.
Thank
Okay,
you.
see you.
Thank you.
See you guys.